Adding flow measurement to an existing system doesn't mean hiring a pipe fitter or plumber, adding potential leak points in the system, or taking equipment offline. In today's RS Product Spotlight, we're introducing the GEMS XFT Clamp-On Ultrasonic Flow Meter, a compact, non-invasive flow solution designed for fast installation, long-term reliability, and seamless integration. The XFT is a clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter that attaches directly to the outside of a pipe. No cutting, no welding, and no system downtime. It provides real-time measurement of flow rate, temperature, and cumulative flow. Because it's completely non-invasive, it avoids contamination risks, eliminates pressure loss, and works with existing hard pipe installations. The XFT installs in minutes using external clamps. No pipe modifications required. That means lower installation costs, less mechanical design complexity, and zero interruptions into the system. With no moving parts, the ultrasonic design delivers long-term accuracy, typically plus or minus 2% of full scale, with no wear and no service intervals. Measure flow on pipes from 3/8 inches to 1.5 inches made of stainless steel, PVC, PPR, and more. The XFT includes both 4 to 20 milliamp analog outputs and RS-485 MODBUS RTU, making it easy to integrate into PLCs, building management systems, or remote monitoring platforms. It also outputs pipe wall temperature, enabling combined thermal and flow monitoring from a single device. With a rotable true color LCD display, it shows flow, temperature, totalization, signal strength, and output percentage. This makes the on-site configuration straightforward, with the ability to set up pipe parameters, calibration, damping adjustment, and password protection. You'll find the XFT used across industries where uptime, safety, and easy retrofits matters, such as industrial and process cooling systems, chillers and heat exchange loops, liquid-cooled servers and CDUs, semiconductor and test equipments, water treatment systems, and RF, microwave, and high-powered electronics cooling. Because it installs externally and has no flow obstruction, it's ideal for critical equipment where shutting down the line just isn't an option. With the XFT, customers gain fast installation with no pipe cutting or plumbing changes, lower total cost of ownership due to zero maintenance, high stable measurement with signal quality diagnostics, flexible system integration via MODBUS and analog output, improved monitoring with combined temperature and flow sensing, and a IP66 rated design ready for industrial environments. If you're looking for a non-invasive, accurate, and installation-friendly way to measure flow in your cooling system or processing applications, the GEMS XFT Clamp-On Ultrasonic Flow Meter is an exceptional solution. Want to learn more? Check out RS or contact our RS Engineering Support Group to help you select the right model. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.